Hi everyone, in this video we're going to deploy an agent remotely. So let's go ahead and open the backup exec server. I'm going to go ahead and click on backup and restore and click add. Now as you can see we have a few options here. So we're going to take the first option, which is the Microsoft Windows computers and servers. But I want to take a second and go over some of the other options here. With backup exec server I can connect directly to the hypervisor, which means that I can access VMware vCenter or ESXi host, and of course I can also connect to Microsoft Hyper-V. Now again, this is to connect directly to the hypervisor, and I can use this option in order to back up the entire virtual disk, which is a great option, but it doesn't always suit our use case. I can also connect directly to a file server, a NAS, using NDMP. But as I said before, I'm going to go ahead and choose the first option for this video. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to allow backup exec to establish trust, and I'm going to browse and look for the server I want to backup. In this case it's going to be the domain controller of this local.lab domain. I'm going to click next and install. Now backup exec is going to use a service account in order to log into this server remotely, and it's going to install the agent. And as you can see, we were able to deploy the agent. I'm going to click out, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For more news and updates, visit tombh.com. See you next time.